Hey y'all, I was on Twitter the other day and saw that this account claimed that scientists could be closer to discovering a vaccine for COVID-19 after some monkeys tested developed immunity. This would be so cool if true, but is it? The account, Such TV News, is based out of Pakistan, so I hadn't heard about them before. They also aren't verified and don't have a huge following, so I was cautious from the beginning. They linked to a March 16th article published on a site with the same name, but when reading through the article, it lacked evidence to confirm their claims. As you can see, there isn't a single hyperlink in here, so I'm going to keep looking. I did a keyword search to see if I could find an article from a news source I was more familiar with, and found this article from The Scientist, a well-known scientific publication. The article states that a group of monkeys exposed to the virus once did not contract it again. This suggests to scientists that primates are capable of developing short-term immunity to the virus. This is a pretty big deal, since there has been a lot of worry about whether someone can be reinfected with the disease. According to the article, researchers now believe that reports of someone being discharged and then reinfected again were likely the result of false negative tests. So that can all sound pretty complicated. But basically what this means is that since reinfection did not occur in the monkeys tested, this supports the idea of developing a vaccine with the plasma from recovered patients as a treatment for COVID-19. The article does note that this study is not peer-reviewed yet. Still, other researchers and experts who weighed in on the study for the article all shared the same sentiment. This study, while preliminary, could be the start to answering some of our most pressing questions. But to be clear, that doesn't mean that a vaccine will be available anytime soon. CNBC reports that developing a workable vaccine could take up to 18 months. And this New Yorker article reported that a vaccine developed, licensed, and manufactured at a global scale in 12 months would be unprecedented, since no vaccine has come close to being developed that quickly. But back to this claim, the tweet is legit. Chinese scientists have discovered that monkeys developed some immunity to the virus, which is promising for discovering a treatment. However, while this is legit, you're better off sharing information from more trustworthy sites. And again, stories about the coronavirus are developing, and things can change as we learn more. Remember to stay curious about what you're seeing during your quarantine scrolling, and tag us at MediaWise or with hashtag IsThisLegit. Bye y'all!